Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make triangle shaped sticky rice served with palm sugar syrup and fresh grated coconut, or in Balinese we call it Jaja Lukis. This is one of my favorite sweet dishes. We normally eat those for breakfast in the morning, accompanied with cup of tea or coffee. So for this recipe later, I'm going to use 1 cup of sticky rice, 2 liters of water, 50 grams of fresh grated coconut, 250 ml of fresh water, 60 ml fresh water, 150 grams of palm sugar, salt, fresh pandan leaves, fresh banana leaf, and bamboo stick. So let's start. First, I'm going to make pandan juice. So here I have 25 grams of pandan leaves. I'm going to cut it into pieces. Let's add it to the blender with 250 ml of fresh water. Blend it until smooth. Just take the juice. So I just use my hand to squeeze it a little bit. Let's put it aside. Next, I'm going to wash the sticky rice. I wash this for 2 or 3 times. The rice, it's been washed. I'm going to add pandan juice. This juice will add color and flavor, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir it. Put the eye heat. Wait until it's reach boiling point. So this is bubbling already and boiling. I'm going to turn down the heat into low and cover it and cook it until all the water evaporated. So now all the water is evaporated. I'm going to turn off the cooker and let's put it aside, but I will stir it first. So this is a halfway cook. So while we're waiting the sticky rice cooling down, let's prepare the sugar syrup now. First, I'm going to cut the palm sugar. Let's add it into the saucepan. Add 60 ml of fresh water, tiny pinch of salt, and pandan leaves. I fold it like this. Cook it into medium heat and stir it. Cook until palm sugar all is melted. Now the sugar is get bubbling, it's mean ready, and also all the sugar already melted. Turn it off the heat. Let's put it in the bowl. So let's put it aside. So here I have some banana leaves. I cut some already, and this one I'm going to cut this part. And this part. So the wide is around 7 to 8 centimeter. So first I fold it into triangle shape, and then I dip my hand with little bit of water. Just put a little bit of sticky rice inside here and give a little press. Add more sticky rice. And fold it. So I'm going to add another leaf and fold it again. Secure with the bamboo stick. So now I finished cover all the sticky rice into the banana leaf. So let's now boil it in the water. First let's put inside. So when it reaches boiling point, we cook for another 1 hour. So it's been 1 hour. Now I'm going to turn off the cooker. Let's take all the sticky rice out. We're going to leave the sticky rice until it's completely cool. And after that, we're going to plate it. So now, the sticky rice is cool enough to handle and I'm going to plate it. First, I'm going to mix the fresh grated coconut with a pinch of salt. Open the sticky rice. Put in the coconut. Place it here. I'm going to add the pandan leaves as a garnish. And put some palm sugar syrup on the top. You can put as much as you like. Here we are, Jaja Lukis. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and I will see you in my next video. Matur Suksma. Bye-bye.